Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to Stampers Club. I'm Karen Trelfa, and today I have just the great card in bloom to share with you. You're going to love it. Let me show you what we're going to be playing with. So I have this really simple yet standouty card, right? But it's using the Florals in Bloom suite. So this is a mega suite. Also has some embellishments, um, two bundles, designer paper, lots of great stuff. Now, one of the nice things about the mega suites is sometimes, there's a lot and you can mix and match, which I'm going to do today. So I'm going to use the dies from Pretty Florals, but there's no greetings in this stamp set. So I'm going to set that aside because I just need the dies. But this bundle has this beautiful bloom and I forgot what the other one says. Anyway, loved or lovely. So bloom and lovely, along with a couple of images that you can die cut out. But I want the greeting because this has some great greetings. So I don't need these dies. So I took a die from one bundle and the stamps from another bundle, and we're going to marry those together for a blooming card. Let me show you how I created this card. So I started out with a half a sheet of a new in color Secret C, which I've pre-scored here at 4 1/4 so that we can get a very nice crisp fold here. Right, perfect, perfect. Then I brought in some of the Florals in Bloom designer paper. Now this was just a 4 by 4 square that I cut into 1-inch pieces. And what we're going to do with this is we are going to, you know what, I'm going to stamp my greeting first. Let's set that aside because one of the pieces I want to put on the card is this wonderful greeting, which I'm going to use Secret C to match that card base. And this really super cute greeting. You make me smile. Everyone out there, you guys definitely make me smile. I really enjoy reading your comments, you guys telling me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to learn, what you want to learn better. I love all those kind of comments, and you truly do make me smile. So on all of these, I'm going to be adding some dimensionals. Now, this is going to be somewhat of a little floating background, something a little bit different. Sometimes you just have to try something new and think outside the box a little bit. So we're going to be using lots of dimensionals on this card. All right, and we definitely want some on our greeting also. I'm going to run out of dimensionals. Can you believe that? All right, so I'm going to start at the bottom. Get these ones off. And we're going to just kind of put that where it belongs on the card and put that down. So it's a little bit elevated. Then we're going to add the strip that is our greeting with just a little bit of space in between it. Now, if you're not sure where these are going to go, you can always line these up on the card upside down, and then that way you know what kind of spacing that you have. That's totally something that you can do. And we're going to add the next strip here, just above. Whoops, it's stuck down. I don't love it when that happens, right? All right, and we're going to do that one. And I got these little backing. Who has these little backings, these dimensional backings, like all over their house? There has been the occasion where I actually even find them in bed with me. But they do definitely travel through the house. That's for sure. My stamp room just, has loads of them in it. Of course, right? So we're just going to float those all up there, right? So you have a little bit of elevation, right? A little bit of character there. Then we're going to bring in some of the die cut pieces. So this is absolutely so cute, right? So we have the solid background, and this has like definitely, has already some character in there too, right? And for this, I'm going to use liquid glue also because that's just the easiest way to get this attached. Because a little bit goes a long way on this liquid glue. You don't need a lot. It will stick down just fine. Just put a little bit on there on the outside edge, a little bit on the middle there. All right. And then this is going to line up very nicely on the inside. I think these just kind of line up right about there. Yep. So I used peach pie and oh my goodness, what color did I use here? The orange. It's not pumpkin. It's Timid Tiger. Peach pie and Timid Tiger, one of the other new in colors. Okay, and then our two leaves, I'm just going to put these together just a little bit. Let's get a little tape on the edge here. And just want to offset them just a little bit like that. Okay, then I'm going to also put this on a dimensional behind the leaf here so that we can get this just about, maybe right there. Perfect. Now I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon behind this too. If I can find my ribbon. I just need just a little bit of it right there. Get that cut off. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape in the middle of it and then fold it over, but keep it offset. I don't want it to be super close to each other, okay? So just so that it's folded over and offset. I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon a little bit of tape to the top here. And I want to tuck that behind these little leaves here. Just tape it down there like that. I just wanted it to have a little bit more texture, want a little bit more of a angle there too. Just it gives a nice, textile add to your card for sure. Now we're going to add some dimensionals to the inside of this, if I can find any. There we go. There's a whole brick, almost a fresh sheet, right? Look at that. So I'm going to add some dimensionals back here. Okay. I'm actually going to double stack these because I have the leaves on a dimensional. So I'm going to double stack these and then add just one more over the leaf area. Okay. Then it'll be a little bit more evenly spaced there. I'm just going to put that just above here on the You Make Me Smile. It's a little bloom going on there. And then we'll bring in some of our in-color dots. Give it a little bit of bling. I'm going to do one here and use this. These have 3 sizes. So I'm going to do a big one and a little one, and then the medium one I'm going to put up over here. Give it a little more bling. And voila, you have basically the designer paper really makes this card, and then just some simple colored cardstock die cut to make the flower. And of course, the greeting, You Make Me Smile. And like I said, every one of you, you definitely make me smile. I really, really enjoy sharing with you. Comments, I love reading your comments. And if you'd like me to mail you a card, go ahead and private message me or email me or text me your mailing address, and I would be happy to send out a card because you make me smile and I want to make you smile. In the meantime, you guys have a stamp happy day. Bye now.